How can we recover your Google account using your Android smartphone? If you are also searching that kind of video, you are in that right video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how can you recover your Google account using your Android smartphone. Okay, but you should do logged in inside your Android smartphone. If you didn't logged in your Android smartphone, then in that case it will not work. So in this video I'll teach you how can you recover your Google account without recovery email ID or recovery mobile number using your Android smartphone. So it's too much easy. So hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and you have to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So welcome back to my computer screen. So now you can see here's my Android system. So first of all, you have to log in inside your Android system. So you can check from the settings. Just go to in settings, and after that you can check your just click in the accounts. Okay, and from here just click in the Google accounts. Now you can see here I am signing in from this email ID, right? So after this just go to in Google, okay, and just type gmail.com, right? And after this, now you can see just click in the sign in, and after this it's giving me the Nepali because I'm from Nepal. That's why I'm just clicking in the English. So from here I'm just clicking here, and I'm just putting my email ID. Okay, so now you can see here I'm putting my email ID, but I have already forgotten my email ID. So from here, how can I recover my Google ID using my Android smartphone? But before also I show you, you have to log in inside your the Android system. If you didn't log in inside your Android system, you can't recover your Google account. That's why I'm suggesting you you can recover your Google account if you have already logged in inside your Android system. Okay, so from this, just click in the forgot password. Okay, now just click in the try another way. Now you can see that it's giving me a one options here. It's telling me that account recovery. This helps so that this account really belongs to you, and it's telling me that check your phone. Will send a notification to your phone. Tap is on the notification, then tap 21 on your phone to continue. Now you can see here two digit number available, and after this now you can see the Android system sent me as if you are trying to recover your account. Okay, and now you can see it's giving me the device also, it's giving me the location also, and it's giving me the time also. If I want to recover my Google account, just click in the S, but in this time I don't want to recover, that's why I'm not clicking anywhere. So from this way also you can recover your Google account. So this is also amazing way to recover your Google account using your Android system. Okay, so hoping that you understand about how can you recover your Google account using Android system. That's it. Hoping that you understand how can you recover your Google account using Android smartphone. It's too much easy. If you have still any kind of confusion about this video, let me know in the comment sections. Hoping that you understand something from this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye, see you again.